Number for you folks tonight on Matangi Afa, the cyclone, Heta, that hit us in 2004, and also the cyclone experiencing in our Pacific region. And this is what happened in this big cyclone. Amanaki. Matangi Afa. Ladies and gentlemen, that's our show until next time. Owe Turutulo. As you can see, that's how people prayed and prayed for the cyclone to pass the Polynesian region. Owe Turutulo. Kia munuina.
Ladies and gentlemen, why don't we give a big round of applause for our brothers and sisters and the whole delegation from the islands of Niue. Niue whaftai tātou pātipati. Mo le fōlasanga a le malo Niue, mais fō i le tāpuainga le tātou atunu o lo mai mo mai le nei a fiafi. From the islands of Niue,